Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Built. My name is Kelly.
I'm Trevor.
And today we are back on trail for day 2 of our little weekend adventure, and we are on Mingus Mtn Trail. Stay tuned.
That's a tongue twister.
Mingus Mtn Trail?
Yeah.
Mingus Mtn Trail? Mingus Mtn Trail? Mingus Mtn Trail?
Mingus Mtn Trail. Mingus Mtn Trail. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Mingus Mtn Trail is just outside Cottonwood. It actually ends in Cottonwood. It's a really nice, easy, there's a couple sections where they say you might need a high clearance vehicle. Other than that, it's a 15.5 mile, just a nice scenic drive, and it's been beautiful thus far.
Yeah, it's really cool, especially if you want to stop in Jerome and, you know, do a nice cross-country overland adventure to, you know, do some wine tasting or something like that. I don't know what else is there.
In Cottonwood?
Yeah, in Cottonwood. I don't never been.
Pretty much wine tasting. It's known for wineries and cottonwoods.
Cottonwood.
And hopefully my truck will stay in full drive for the entire trail.
We shall see.
Wouldn't that be nice? All right, let's go. We're about, I don't know, maybe just a little bit more than halfway through the trail, and this has been a great drive. Nothing at all challenging like yesterday.
No, not at all. Just views and views and views. I mean, the Verde Valley here is just absolutely beautiful. We can see a fire out in the distance. So yeah, it's just a really cool trail. Yeah,
it's super cool. Right now we're looking directly at Cottonwood, which is our final destination, and pretty much all downhill all the way there. Keep on going.
Let's do it.
Well, we just took a turn off of the already very tight mining road onto another even rockier tight mining road. So, but this is the track, but it just got significantly more challenging. Nothing terrible, nothing to have to be spotted on, but just, you know, a little bit harder. Harder's not always bad. We're having fun here. too bad.
No, it wasn't bad. It looked more gnarly than it was.
There's a little off-road. All right, guys, that concludes Mingus Mountain Trail, and it was such a scenic trail.
Yeah, it was a really, really pretty trail. Felt like I was in Colorado for like half of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the views of Verde Valley. I mean, you can see Mount Humphreys, Sedona. I mean, just really pretty.
Yeah, very, very pretty, great drive. There's one little technical section above Gold something mine. I don't remember what it was, but it was a little tricky through that.
Yeah, it was just a little rocky, so bouncy. The trailer definitely kept pushing us. I've got the Red Arc trailer brake on there, and you know, I'm just figuring out the new trailer, so adjusting that, but eventually got it. So, but yeah, nothing super difficult.
All right, a little Gaia trail information. We had a total travel time of 3 hours 15 minutes. Our total distance was 18.72 miles, and our moving time was 2 hours and 30 minutes. So it was pretty close to what the trail description was rated at. Great drive, highly suggest doing it. If you ever have to go from Cottonwood up to 89A, beautiful bypass.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and beware of a little bit of pinstriping. It's gonna happen on that trail.
Only on his truck. I avoided all of it.
You just can't see it. It's there. It's there. All right, guys. Well, we are going to take the wives wine tasting. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, be sure to subscribe. It helps out the channel. Be sure to like. Be sure to click that notification bell because that will notify you of all of our new videos. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. It's adventurebuilt_. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace.